Welcome to healthyayurveda.com. I'm Dr. Mike Dhaliwal, Vedic Sage. Today we'll begin discussing Asthi Dhatu, Asthi Dhatu being that which most closely resembles bone tissue. Asthi Dhatu is the densest tissue of the body, and according to Ayurveda, Asthi is predominantly composed of earth, fire, and water elements, which brings about density and hardness found within the skeletal tissue. Being not only dense, but the chief quality of Asthi Dhatu is roughness, and because of these qualities, Asthi Dhatu provides protection for the internal organs of the body. Hence, the function of Asthi Dhatu is that which provides support and posture to the body, as well as providing nourishment to bone marrow or Majja Dhatu. And just as the tree remains erect and firm due to the pith within, similarly, the body remains erect by the support of the bones or skeletal system. The byproducts of Asthi Dhatu are teeth, hair, and nails, along with the production of precursors for the succeeding Dhatu, the next succeeding Dhatu being Majja Dhatu, or that which resembles nerve tissue. Those with optimal and ideal Asthi Dhatu are described as having a large and stout body. These individuals are active, very enthusiastic, and are able to bear strain due to having such durable bodies. These individuals are generally said to have a long life, and there's an interesting correlation and connection made from an Ayurvedic perspective regarding Vata dosha, the colon, and the absorption of minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are regulated by hormones such as the parathyroid hormone, calcitonin, which come from the parathyroid gland, all of which support bone tissue or Asthi Dhatu. The colon is considered the primary seat for which Vata dosha resides. Similarly, although most of the minerals are absorbed from the small intestine, some of the minerals which support bone tissue are also absorbed in the colon. So in a way, all of these factors could be considered a component of Asthi Dhatu Agni. Another interesting principle worth mentioning is that Asthi Dhatu, although being dense, but due to its porous nature and being predominantly of the rough quality, is another primary seat of Vata dosha. Therefore, as Vata dosha increases, for example during old age, the porous nature of bone tissue increases, which causes reduced bone density and therefore being the underlying or primary cause of osteoporosis. So in the next videos, we'll take a closer look at increased and decreased Asthi Dhatu and see the correlation with Vata dosha and take into consideration basic management considerations to help prevent or reverse such conditions. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and until next time, be well.